Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option how to change the fade transparency of a floating shortcut button for TalkBack in Realme 14 Pro phone. So first of all we need to go to our phone's settings. Next we need to look for the accessibility and convenience, then accessibility, then we need to tap the version tab, and here we have our TalkBack. So our floating shortcut is enabled. We can tap the shortcut options here, and here we have the more options which we need to tap. So here we have our option to enable or disable the fading of the button, and here we have the fade slider. As you can see, the button is changing its transparency. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video is helpful to you, and goodbye.